In Florida, people who are still dealing with the damage caused by Hurricane Helene are now preparing for the arrival of Hurricane Milton.
As Keith was telling us, that a Category 5 hurricane is forecast to reach the coast of Florida Wednesday night. As many as 15 million people under flood watches, and authorities are expected to issue widespread evacuation orders. In the city of Seminole, people there are doing everything possible to be ready for another major storm.
And I'm out here to fill up my sandbags. I didn't do it last time, and this time I want to feel better inside my home and hopefully protect some of my stuff. Water got up into our driveway, and I don't want it to happen.
Just in terms of preparation, you just got to do what you can early and just get out there, and it is what it is, right?